Could artificial intelligence be coming for your job? With the consistent advancement and adoption of AI models in real-world situations, many jobs will be affected by this disruptive technology. This video highlights 20 jobs that are already being overtaken by AI models and the companies and systems pushing the boundaries in these industries. You will not believe the job we have at the top of this list, so make sure you don't miss a second of it. Number 20, manufacturing. When it comes to manufacturing and warehouse work, robots had already started making their way in years ago. Over the last 20 years, upwards of 1.7 million jobs in manufacturing have already been lost to automation. With the rise of AI, there is a rapid exodus from industrial automation to industrial autonomy in manufacturing. To mention, one of the many pushing this advancement is rapid robotics and its rapid machine operator. It is a 6-axis robot that is set up with industrial robotic programming for executing tasks like ultrasonic welding, pack and place, and even inspections. Number 19, customer care. Virtually every service website you visit now has an AI chatbot of some sort that is your first responder in case you need anything. But it is getting way worse for humans in this industry. Meet Voso AI, which has the power to handle everything a customer could need. Whether working via text or voice, customers will be taken through a personalized experience that feels no different from speaking to a human agent. There's also Caffeinated CX that offers over 36 languages, which is great for companies trying to cross borders. And while we are on the topic of languages, here is number 18, translation. Translation has experienced a massive spread over time, and it continues to get better and better. Companies of all sizes have continued to work on devices and applications that take away the need for a physical translator. Easy examples would be Google's Translate, which has shown mind-blowing improvement across its different devices, OpenAI with ChatGPT, and companies like TimeKettle, which designed translator earbuds. While this has made it way easier to travel without needing a translator or learning a new language, it also means that translators will be losing jobs. Number 17, finance. As complicated as finance can be for humans, this is not the same for artificially intelligent systems. An interesting one to discuss is Magnify, which integrates with ChatGPT alongside other applications to curate the best financial tips for users. It also gives all the details about an asset to inform the user's decisions. Would you take financial advice from an AI model? Leave a comment below and check out the amazing stuff we have in number 16. Accounting. There is a large number of operational AI tools for accounting that are more efficient, quicker to respond, and in the best-case scenario, error-free. Interestingly, they could also cost a lot less than having a human accountant. One that would blow you away is Indie, which is designed for freelance professionals who may find it difficult to access or afford traditional accountants. The software functions many times faster than any human ever could. It syncs with the user's bank account to transmit expenses, manage receipts, and even send out invoices. Number 15, security. AI algorithms and systems have already penetrated several levels of the security sector. Unfortunately, there may probably be no need for a human to stand at the gate. Instead of having security personnel at the entrance patting people down for illegal items, Aviclone designed AI cameras that have self-learning abilities. These can detect objects, events, and down to human behavior. Number 14, retail. There are already stores that function without interacting with customers and a sales rep. Apart from the more common self-service systems, Amazon runs Go stores that do not even need you to stop at a stand, just walk out. Customers scan an app when they walk in, and a series of cameras on the ceiling record all the items selected and automatically charge the customer for them as soon as they walk out. Other stores have also started licensing this tech from Amazon, which means a larger scale adoption is imminent. Number 13, passenger transportation. Just a few years ago, if you were talking about a fully autonomous self-driving car, it would be considered a pipe dream that may never happen. However, fast forward to 2023, and it is becoming a reality before our very eyes. In the summer of 2023, two companies, Cruise by General Motors and Waymo, which had been working night and day to have fully functional unmanned taxis, finally got approval to carry passengers for a fare. Cruise alone went from just about 47,000 completed trips between March and May 2023 to over 100,000 between June and August. It is only a matter of time before that number escalates further. Would you be willing to sit in the back seat of a car with nothing but AI in control of your transit? Number 12. Cargo transportation. As autonomous passenger vehicles have made giant leaps in their development, cargo trucks have joined the conversation. In 2022, Einride obtained federal approval to start running their all-electric six-wheel vehicle that can carry a standard shipping container. The vehicle is completely unmanned, but monitored remotely. This could strike a huge blow to one of the most popular occupations in the United States, with over 3.5 million truck drivers. Number 11. Customer research. Research has been one of the strongest suits of AI over the last few years, and it continues to get better. Quantilope is a brand that takes research to a whole new level with AI. The AI is capable of curating a lineup of survey questions using its automated templates, or you can pre-program them by yourself. It is also capable of recording the data into charts and reports, and even using video analytics to detect consumer emotions and sentiments. What should naturally take a team of researchers days or even weeks is shrunk down to seconds. Number 10. Writing. This one goes without saying, considering just how many AI-based writing tools are in existence now. To say the least, you already have platforms like ChatGPT by OpenAI, Google's Bard, and Microsoft's Copilot. It is easy to argue that these systems still have a robotic nature in their writing. However, the more time people spend with these AI models, the more they improve in learning how to write with emotion and an understanding of certain creative nuances. So, could writers become obsolete soon? Well, you will not believe the next job that is under threat. Number 9. Legal work. As absurd as it sounds, legal work could be impacted by advancements in artificial intelligence. While it may never completely replace lawyers in a courtroom, certain behind-the-scenes tasks involve finding precedents and other connections that may help a case likely to be taken by AI. For clarity, we do have to pull ChatGPT back into the conversation. Apart from the fact that GPT-4 aced the uniform bar exam by scoring in the 90th percentile, it is now powerful enough to handle paperwork that would need an office full of lawyers. Improvements in the language model also mean that it is better equipped to make fewer errors and work at a faster rate. If you think this is crazy, wait until you see what we have in number 1. Number 8. Mining and factories. Just like the autonomy that has sipped into passenger vehicles, trucks, and manufacturing, mining has not been left out. Sandvik is one company that has dedicated years to building autonomous mining vehicles called AutoMine. This replaces the jobs of a group of miners with one self-aware electric vehicle that does all the dirty work. Number 7. Insurance. For insurance-related tasks like risk assessment, claims processing, auditing, and even cost analysis, Gradient AI is a fully automated insurance model that is capable of covering all of these tasks. Number 6. Marketing. Consider tasks like gathering data that drive personalized marketing strategies, management of socials, and publishing of targeted content. All these and more are available to you with Sprout Social's AI. They have run everything that could require manual labor and put in an all-in-one software. Except for making critical decisions, Sprout has designed a fully autonomous AI model that works far more efficiently to reach new customers and maintain the existing ones. Number 5. Agriculture. Seeding and weeding, autonomous tractors, harvesting, and drones are just but a few of the areas of agriculture that are already seeing an exodus toward artificial intelligence. The Indian agritech company called Fasol designed a platform that uses data science to make predictions on the farm as well as deliver insights to farmers. The icing on the cake here is that all the information is accessible across multiple platforms: iOS, Android, tablet, and even web services. Number 4. Teaching. AI tutors are already a real thing, so it does not come as a surprise that teaching is one of the jobs that could be affected by advancement in AI technology. There are already custom integrations on OpenAI's ChatGPT that could teach people at any level of education virtually everything they need to know on any topic. Another that you may be familiar with is Duolingo and its language chatbot. Interestingly, these are still very much the tip of the iceberg compared to what could be made possible as the tech advances. Number 3. Media and entertainment. Whether it is music, news broadcasting, or even content creation, AI models are already being tested to be able to handle all of these. Companies have already begun experimenting with the idea of AI influencers, and others with AI newscasters that are already in operation. India already has some channels working with AI newscasters, this one named Lisa. While there may still be some indicators in the nuances that it is artificial intelligence, it could make a giant leap fast really soon. Number 2. Housekeeping. We already have fully automated vacuum cleaners that do not need you to hold them or even be home to operate. Pudu Robotics designed one of the most intuitive robots you will ever see, the CC1. It is an AI-powered that is designed to do everything by itself. This device is so intelligent that if it runs low on power while on the job, it moves to its charging dock and will remember its last spot for when it is back on power. A luxury hotel in Zurich, the Dolder Grand, has already infused it into its system to replace human cleaners in certain areas. And now to the number one on today's list, medicine. Healthcare is a very intricate sector that most may not want to release to robots, but it may just be inevitable. Beyond just a Google search and clicking on WebMD, prompt-based systems like ChatGPT and the like have been built with a wealth of knowledge that allows them to offer some of the most accurate answers to patient questions in a human-like conversational manner. ChatGPT already passed the US medical licensing exam and has proven to be very efficient in solving certain internal case files. There are some other industries as well that some believe AI could still penetrate, like cooking, energy, and even government. But which do you think is most likely to be the most affected? Leave a comment below and watch the next video I've selected just for you. Thanks for watching.